and hope you guys like the makeup tutorial look, and keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. It's been two years, almost 3, that I haven't been blogging, or I haven't even like post nothing at all. Not even like a tutorial or anything like that, but here I am now. I'm about to make one right now, okay? So let's get to it, okay? And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe yourself right down below, and join me please on my journey for doing makeup tutorials, or it could be random stuff, it doesn't matter, okay? But please join me. I'm gonna put it on our lid, all over our lid. This actually is a changer for me, because before I didn't even put nothing on my lid. Like I would just put like primer on, but I feel like primer is not doing nothing for me. Probably the one that I was using, it was from Mary Kate, so sorry. Or probably I didn't know how to do it, you know, so don't judge. Anyways, let me just tell you like a little about me, whatever. Okay, so I have a daughter. She's now 5 years old. She just turned 5 on December 16th. Her name's Natalia. What else? I'm 25, so like when she was like what? She was a little born. I was 20, so yeah. I know. Anyways, we're gonna do like a, sorry, okay, we're gonna use my this is a Real Technique beauty sponge. This one right here, and the palette that I'm using, sorry, it's from this brand. Okay, so use this one. I would use tape on the side, but I'll clean it like a different way. Like now you go with the intense one. You go with this one right here. Okay. And these brushes are from BH Cosmetics. If anyone is curious, I use this BH Cosmetic. Yeah, BH Cosmetic it's still my favorite brand of all times, but this brand is so good and it's so affordable. Like the ones that have like, you know, in a budget or something, and they don't want to go to Sephora and like spend like $35 for mascara, or like a palette, you know, like a 35 palette or something like that. This is good. This has like all the shades. Like yeah, you see, like I beat this whole up, you know. I would use this one. This was my first one. And after that I would use this one. It was a cream, like as you could tell. This was black, like a grayish black undertone. And I would like use both at the same time, because I would mix them together and it would come out like a good color, you know. And now I use this one, black, because I'm like, I have black hair. Like, why do I need like, you know, brown brows or something? But I mean, like, you can, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm using this one, and I would usually sometimes, you know, when I feel like, you know, I do want like glossy brows or whatever, I would use the cream one, okay? But you know, like I have this, so it's not like, you know, oh, I'm done with this, like I can't use something else. sometimes you have to work on your stuff. You don't have to get an expensive palette and then when you say, oh, I don't have that color no more, you know, try to work whatever you have in your house. Like this color right here. Okay, I'm gonna use it with my finger. Okay. Okay, so I'm done. After that, I'm gonna use this, the wipes, and I'm gonna clean this off. After that, I use I'm gonna use my cream contour again, and I'm gonna do my under eye with the same brush that I used, my flat brush. And I'm gonna use banana in this one. I'm gonna use banana here, this one right here. Okay. It's blended already. You start with your foundation. Okay, the one that I use is Maybelline Fit Me for now, because I do use Makeup Forever and Kat Von D, you know, but I'm using this one. This is really good. It's Maybelline Fit Me and the number Golden Beige. 240, the number 240. Okay, what I use this brush. I go in there and I start painting myself like nothing. I don't use a lot of it, and a little bit goes all over. Okay, so I use this one. This is from BH Cosmetics. I'm really serious. Like, I bought all my brushes at BH Cosmetics. Probably have like 2 or 3 expensive brushes. Okay. Okay, so you use this flat taper brush, and you dab. Sorry. Pat, 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 pat. What you use is Maybelline Better Skin. You go with the beauty blender with the sponge, okay? We're taking this big sponge. Yes, I'm making an ugly face, okay? Sorry. banana bread translucent powder. You see, this has like a really good smell. It smells really good. Big on top of my nose, on my chin. You could bake where you get like really oily. That's where you could bake. But that's where I bake. You could go ham on this if you want. But if you want like a cakey face, then go right ahead. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so you let it sit for a bit. Don't like let it sit a lot, because like I don't want it to bake like a lot. Okay, so after that I go with contouring. I use this Real Technique buffing brush, okay, and I use Anastasia powder bronzer. I'm gonna use the color Rich Amber, okay. Tap the accesses. Blush from MAC Warm Soul. Really nice color. This brush from MAC and blush. I like to put extra ham on the blush. Okay, so after that I use I'm gonna access the translucent powder and take it off now, because I don't want to like bake OD underneath my eye, because then it starts creasing. Like, even though it's not gonna crease, but I just don't want it to bake a lot, you know. Okay, so after that I use Per sculpture, this one. I'm gonna use this color right here. You see that shit coming out. Underneath my eye. True duck. I do it with this finger. And this is my finished look. put Ardell Wispies eyelashes. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I hope to make another video, and I'll see you guys soon. And thank you for watching, the ones that, you know, watch the whole thing until now. But this is the look that I did today. It's easy. It's easy, fun to do, and it's good. It's like for any occasion. Like if you want to be slaying all day, it's fine. Who cares? But yes, that's me right here. Oh, this is it, guys. This is my makeup look. I did this I think 2 weeks ago when I recently got this one. I got this really late from the BoxyCharm, but I got it soon, you know. This is the look that I did for you guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. I'll be doing more on depth how I contour or how I highlight my face. Okay, yes, when you do your eyeshadow, you always have to blend, so you know you have a good blending eyeshadow look. Okay, hope to see you guys soon. See you guys later. Bye. Thank you.